Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a pretty big collective haul. I have been kind of accumulating these items over the last couple of months, mostly in preparation for a trip that I have coming up, which I'm so excited for. So if you aren't already, definitely subscribe to my channel. I have some exciting travel content coming up. I leave in a couple days. I will be headed off very soon to Europe, so definitely stay tuned. I wanted to share some of the items I did get for this trip. A mix of things from Aritzia, Naked, Vivaia, Nike. I'm going to share each item and do a little try on haul, share how I'm going to be styling these items. The first piece, starting off with Aritzia, is this TNA black long sleeve. I have just been stacking up on my basics because it goes with everything. Ooh, as I get closer, you can see all the lint on here. I did just wash it, so that's why there's a ton of lint on here, but I really do love how form-fitting it is. You may be thinking like it's just a plain black long sleeve. I did order some other long sleeves from them and the material was super thin. Some of them were too thick, and I feel like this one is the perfect medium. I loved this one so much that I decided to get it in a second color. I haven't worn this one yet, but I fell in love with the color. So it's sort of like a frost off-white gray. You can get a closer view of the texture and the ribbed material on here. I did get both of them in a size small. They were like $35 each, but I'm pretty sure I got this during their winter sale. So excited for this one. So I was searching high and low since November for a jacket like this. I really wanted a Sherpa lined bomber jacket, and I was looking for very specific details because these jackets, one, are not cheap. I actually got this one from Naked, and I ordered two different jackets off their website. I had a really hard time deciding between the two when they arrived in the mail, and I ended up keeping this one. I'll share with you why. A couple of things again I was looking for. It had this fur on the sleeve. It needed pockets, and I really liked that it zipped up, and the other one that I ordered buttoned up, and I just realized like how difficult that would be if every single time I had to button up the jacket. I did get this in a size 32, but I was super skeptical because I'm normally a size 34. So when it came in, I was very surprised that it fit me perfectly. It actually fits a bit oversized, and the thing that sold me the most was having this little clasp here on the neck so you can actually hook it and keep it closed, which is going to be perfect because where I'm going, it's going to be snowing a little bit, and I just really want to make sure that this jacket provides me with all the warmth, and the fur is lined all the way through into the sleeves. And then here is just a closer look of the Sherpa and the fur on the inside. Up next, I have some really beautiful shoes from Vivaia. If you haven't heard of Vivaia, they are a sustainable and eco-friendly footwear brand, and they sell a ton of different footwear for women: flats, boots, sneakers, mules, flats, sandals. Go ahead and link their website in my description below, but I also wanted to share with you the shoes that I picked out. Spoiler, I already unboxed these and I've been wearing them with a ton of my outfits already, so I'll try them on and just share how I personally like to style them. But the first item that I picked from them are their Aria 5 pointed ballet flat. This is what the flat looks like up close. I actually wore these to a work conference. I was wearing heels all day, and it was so refreshing to change into a pair of comfortable flats, and they're super bendy. This is what the material looks like up close, and it is super cushioned on the inside. I can't make this up. It feels like you're walking on clouds, and I love that their little logo right here, the little V, is just so cute. And they do have different styles as far as like if you want to do a square toe or round toe. I really like the pointed. These are super lightweight, so I can throw them in my carry-on bag, that they're not going to take up a lot of room in my luggage. I've unboxed these ones, but I haven't worn them yet. These ones are the Melody Square Toe Chunky Heel, I think 2.0, and then I also forgot to reference that I am a size 6.5, so I believe that is in a European size 37, and these do fit me perfectly. I have to say these ones I feel like I could have sized down a little bit, but either way they fit me comfortably. This is what they look like. I did get pretty much almost the same color. I just really love the nudes and the neutrals. I just felt like with summer and springtime coming up, I wanted to wear more light colors, and you can just see the texture on it is so soft and comfortable. I did try them on already, but again, I haven't worn them yet. I have a couple of outfit ideas in mind for this, but I'll do a little try on and just share with you kind of my thoughts on how I'm looking forward to styling these shoes. I have another pair of shoes. I honestly can't remember if I've shared these already, so if I'm a broken record, my bad. But I did get a new pair of Nike Air Forces. I do have Air Maxes, but I took them on a hike last year and they just got so dirty and ruined. I've tried cleaning them with OxyClean, with baking soda, throwing them in the washer, and nothing is working right now. They are just brown, and so I'm so excited to have a clean new pair of shoes, and the material on these ones are just so much easier to keep clean and white. I've only worn them a handful of times. I am nervous that I might get a blister or they're not fully broken in yet, but I am taking them on my trip, so they're just going to have to do. I was really looking for the platform ones. I'm just really big on platforms right now. Like if my shoe doesn't have a platform, I don't want to wear it. I am pretty sure I got them off of Foot Locker, and they were significantly cheaper than if I got them on the Nike website. I think they were like $120, $130 on Nike, and they were like $70 on Foot Locker, so shout out to Foot Locker. Lastly, I have some tiny little jewelry pieces that I picked up from Nordstrom Rack. I was just browsing through one day and these two pieces caught my eye. But this is what they look like up close, and I just thought it is so pretty. So there are 3 eyes on here, and in the middle of each eye is like a blue little diamond, and then there are diamonds lacing around the ring, and then this came separately. Like, oh, that goes perfectly with the other ring, so I typically like wear this one on one finger and then the other, and they're just the same color of gold, so I can really appreciate that they match and go with each other very well, complements one another. That wraps up my collective haul. Leave a comment down below which item is your favorite, and again, check out my discount code and the links to all of the items down below. If you aren't already, I would love for you to give my channel a subscribe, and until next time, I will see you guys probably next up in my travel vlogs. So see you guys soon.